Hello, guys and girls, welcome to Life Mantras. It was the best time to explore and to be with nature. Go on long drives, go for outings, as it was winter and climate in winter always just amazing. So we group of friends planned for a road trip somewhere not knowing where to go. Some suggested Mahabaleshwar, some said camping at Pauna Dam. Many suggestions came in, and after lots of brainstorming, we finalized on Magnus Resort in Vai, which is near to Mahabaleshwar, and decided to go there for upcoming weekend stay. The funny part is, while planning, we were around 8 friends, but when we zeroed down the final plan, we were left with only 4. Yeah, it happens in every group, right? Half of the group always drops out of the plan. But we 4 were firm and were looking forward for the much awaited winter long drive. So after bags packed, we 4 left from Pune at around 8 a.m. towards our destination in our brand new Tata Nexon. The journey to our resort was approximately 100 km one way. We all were super excited, and to make our excitement double, nature played a big role as it was raining from early morning. Since Wise on the way to Satara, we came on Pune Satara highway. Once we were on highway, we were enjoying our drive with amazing views of green jungles, mountains, waterfalls, clouds, fog, and cherry on top, heavy rain along with soothing music. As I said, while driving, we found amazing waterfalls, so we could not control ourselves and stopped near one of the waterfall despite it was raining. After spending some time and taking some pictures, we started back again. After driving about 40 to 50 kilometers, we stopped at roadside restaurant for breakfast as we all were hungry. After tasty meal break, we were cruising back on highway, but to our surprise, after driving only for another 10 kilometers, we saw huge traffic ahead because roads were flooded due to heavy rain and some trees were fallen. That's why the traffic was moving snail speed. After spending long 3 hours in traffic, we finally were out, but we drove only 10 to 12 kilometers during those 3 hours. As suggested by our Google map, we left the highway and were going towards Y village. We could have reached resort way before if there was no traffic. After crossing Y village, we are finally here. That's the way we come in from. And those are some colorful, funky looking washrooms. Yeah, that side is parking. Signboards are marked. We were supposed to reach resort by 11 a.m. maximum, but reached by 2:30 to 3 p.m. because of that huge traffic. We all were tired and hungry as from 8 in the morning we were in the car. As you can see, there is a huge dam, and just next to it there are camping tents. Wow, they look really nice. There is a huge mountain in background, then tents, then water. What else do we need on weekend? As we came late, we thought the weekend is really wasted. But upon reaching resort and seeing the surroundings, we were again happy and were looking forward for the best experience. As you can see, views all around are really superb. Greenery everywhere, water, mountains. And there is a funky colored cart as well. Let's check out one of the camping tent. I will show you from inside. Let's open the zip and go inside. And can you believe it's really huge? There is enough space for 2 with nice mattress and cushions. In front of tents, there is place for bonfire as well. All tents are same and nicely placed. It was windy but no harm to tents. And the view from here is just mind-blowing. I am talking about views again and again as I cannot resist myself for talking about it. So here we are at Magnus Resort. As soon as we reached, we told them to arrange for our lunch. After eating food, we went to our rooms. Did I just said rooms? Sorry, we went to our grand huge tents. And to be more precise, they call it Jodhpuri tents. Yeah, cause they are styled in Rajasthani way. Not the one which we just saw, as those are called camping tents. We'll show you Jodhpuri tents which are at other side. Till then, let me walk you through the entire resort area. Enjoy the surrounding, guys. That upside on the tree you see there, it's called machan. These white tents you see, big ones, those are Jodhpuri tents. Our accommodation was in those tents. Let's go up the machan and see how is it there. Wow, it is just wow. Loving it. Amazing. Enjoy the photo shoot which we clicked up on machan near that funny antique scooter, inside water, on those swings, near tents, on that cart. It was really super fun while doing that photo shoot. After getting freshen up and taking some rest in our Jodhpuri tents, it was time to roam around with everyone and have lots of fun. We became kids again and played on those swings turn by turn. We all climbed up on machan and spent some time over there. After spending some quality time with nature, it was time to play few games. So we played bow and arrow, bull's eye, badminton and many other games. After games we had yummy dinner. Suddenly rain started again, so we all went in our tents and it was time for some music, dance and masti. So after spending great day at Magnus Resort, next day we left for our homes towards Pune with lots of memories to cherish for life. Before leaving, we had tasty breakfast and started driving back. I highly recommend Magnus Resort for a weekend stay as their hospitality is really nice. Thank you so much, Magnus, for hosting us. I hope you liked the video. So please like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And let me know your feedback in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and enjoy your life.